All right, we are at the Dalby-Wendland building, and we have something interesting here. Here's Nathan.
Hello. I will start here. Where is it?
Wow, this is cool. This is 50s. Oh, slap-on modded. Look, a window in the door.
You can get a little bit of both from that.
Going down.
Yeah, sorry about that.
What floor? One?
Basement.
Oh, I'll let you do that.
Yeah, the GAL.
Sorry about that.
We just record videos of old elevators, that's all.
Oh yeah?
Yep.
Oh, that's cool.
Just not expecting a little window in there.
Yeah. And we won't hop off with you.
Oh yeah, we'll go back up.
Appreciate it.
Have a good one.
Yeah, you too.
You work like maintenance here?
IT.
Oh, gotcha. Cool. Go to 4.
4 or why 4?
I don't know, just because 5 had a desk, it looked like. Also, I'm surprised a building this small has a dedicated IT person.
That's pretty cool, actually.
He's getting off the basement dressed like that. I was expecting maintenance.
Yeah. This one looks empty.
We'll go back down. Actually, we'll go off here and then I'll end it. Go back here. Just end it here. Oh, it's got the roto dial. Look.
Does it work?
I don't think so.
It looks like it's missing.
Anyway,
Yeah, it looks like it's kind of just missing.
that is all.